doing well today. So I am en route to drop off the lathe that I bought a couple of weeks back. Found someone who wanted to buy it, so we're taking it, and I told him I'd deliver it to him to help him out. So that's what we're doing right now, and we're going to go see a few other shops while we're doing it and see what we can find to get into. So yeah, let's see what happens today. Alright, so here, let me do this. So I'm not driving in video, and I'm actually sitting in a takeout line waiting to order lunch because I'm a little hungry. So got the lathe dropped off. The guy didn't want me videoing in his shop, so that's cool. And I went to another shop that had some equipment I was thinking about looking at. So, got to meet some people. Didn't video any of that for different reasons, but I did get to see something really cool today. So I love knowledge. I love learning something I didn't know and seeing how things are done that, just oddball stuff that not many people think about. So one of the places I went today was SE Metals. They're in Woodbury, Georgia. It's actually in the same complex where I dropped the lathe off. But met a gentleman there that owns the company named Dallas, and he gave me a demo of how to make saw blades for lumber mills and wood miser sawmills and things like that. So check these clips out. I thought it was pretty cool. I hope y'all do too. So now these are the finished blades after they've been welded, right?
All we're going to do now is grind the weld. They're welded, but they haven't been ground smooth yet.
Okay.
So what we do is we stack them on these grinders, and they just grind them.
Wow, that is a pretty substantial kerf left on it.
Yeah, we have to grind that smooth.
Okay. So everybody, this is Dallas.
Yeah.
This is his company, SAE Metals. So he does sawmill blades. They start out like this. These are pallets of custom order blades. And then they go on this machine, right?
Yeah. And we stack them up in there, and it cuts them pretty quick.
So this
I wish it was running right now, but they're eating lunch right now.
This is pretty cool. So that spool goes on here.
I'll show you. I'll cut one real quick.
And there's a laser counter right there that counts the number of teeth. There it goes. That is cool.
Yeah, we just fall down here. We just stack them up,
Okay.
per order.
That's pretty cool. So custom ordered to length.
Yep.
And then they come over to this machine where they're welded.
Yeah, you usually have a whole bunch of blades hanging like this.
Uh-huh.
And then we just stick them in the welder.
Okay. And with this, it's important that the teeth line up so that you don't end up with...
Yeah, you want to make sure the tooth spacing at the weld's the same as the rest of the blade.
Okay.
Yeah, so it welds, it's friction welding, so when it welds, it takes about a 1/4 inch of the material off.
Okay, I didn't realize it was friction.
It
Okay.
heats the blade up,
Yeah.
and then shoves it together.
Okay, so kind of like they do pipelines.
Yeah,
Yeah,
something
okay.
like that. But it's real quick. But you got all these fancy adjustments for each blade. Because it's got to anneal the steel back, annealing
Yeah.
process. Yeah, it's got to do that back when it's done.
That way
And so, yeah, like that.
Okay.
And then I'm going to back up just a little bit. It's going to spark.
Okay. So it after that these two die.
Now it's going to anneal it. See how it's annealing?
Yep, just heating it up, gluing it back. Okay.
Yep.
And that's it.
That's it.
That's pretty cool.
They grind them over here. Like this. They stack a whole bunch of blades in here, and then they grind the blades to weld off.
Okay.
It just clamps, so it clamps the blade on there.
Okay, and all that's pneumatic, right?
Yeah, it's
okay.
pneumatic.
Man, that doesn't take but a second. Nice. That's pretty cool, man. I appreciate you.
That's it.
The SE Metals out of Woodbury, Georgia. Pretty cool setup, y'all. Well, it's what happens sometimes. Stop for road work. We'll see how long we sit here. Hey, we're off and running. Hopefully it won't be too terribly long. Oh, you might be a little crooked. There we go. Looks like they're actually shutting down for the day. Yep, I think they're done with road construction for today. Alright, let's go home.